Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.